Are you a painting contractor? Are you driven for success? If you answered yes, this video is most definitely for you. How would you feel if you could have an extra 2 to 3 customers every week? How about 10 to 20 new customers every month on autopilot? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate 10 to 20 new paint customers every month. If you stay to the end, I will give you an extra bonus tip on how you can get free business from Google. But first, I'm going to show you how you can use my system to get 10 to 20 new customers each month for interior, exterior, cabinetry, water damage repair, and more. These will be customers who come to you 100% sold and ready to buy before you even pick up the phone. You'll never have to worry about using Angie's List, Thumbtack, TrueBids, Nextdoor, Homestar, or rely on services like Yelp ever again. This is about making your paint business a household name in your service areas. We help you build equity in your own business. When you're done watching my video, I would absolutely love for you to hire us. But if you choose not to use us, you can still use the information I'm going to share with you. I'm Derek Neese, the CEO of Pro Paint Marketing. I've been in the digital marketing space now for over 10 years. My sister works for a very well-known paint company. In late 2019, she started telling her paint contractor friends about my marketing skills. I knew I could up their game, so I decided to take on a few extra paint clients. I started working with these guys who generally had 4 to 5 customers per week. These guys were impatient. They wanted to grow their paint business and generate fast income. I doubled their amount of work and money within the very first 2 months. Soon the word got out and more of her residential painter friends were calling me for my services. After all, they got into the painting business to make great money, right? Here are just a few of our latest client results. As promised, I'm going to show you how to generate 10 to 20 new paint customers every month on autopilot. We have a system called 6 Steps to Paint Business Success where we implement the following. Step number 1, building your foundation on social media. Step number 2, saturating your service areas with SEO pages. Step number 3, using strategic Google ads specific for the paint business. Step number 4, making your business omnipresent. Step number 5, tracking everything. And step number 6, following up and nurturing every lead that comes your way. Step number 1, building your foundation on social media. There are 2.36 billion Facebook users. This accounts for 1/3 of the world's population. Facebook is an extremely powerful tool when used in the right hands. This is not about boosting posts, but a high-level form of marketing for your paint business. Facebook is number 2 of the top 100 most visited websites in the world. Social media is an excellent way to increase your customer base. The backlinks on your ads also increase your domain authority, providing your business with a solid foundation. We have lists of 100,000 paint customers across the US and Canada. We take profile snapshots of these demographics, create lookalike audiences, and target the zip codes of our clients to bring amazing results. We have spent countless hours carefully crafting and split testing our ads with one goal in mind: getting the customer to contact your business via phone, online bookings, emails, or messaging. These proven ads and landing pages are optimized for interior, exterior, cabinetry, water damage, hail damage, and more. If you take a good look at these results, you can clearly see how good we are at social media marketing. $30,000 profit in 5 days for one of our clients. Our messaging campaign brought 23 messages from interested paint customers in less than 1 week. You can even check your booked appointments every day on your own dashboard. You'll receive emails and text notifications every time a new customer books an appointment online. Here are some examples of what our ads look like on Facebook. Our top-notch landing pages are optimized for smartphones since 80% of your customers will be using phones to view your ads. Our Facebook ads service brings amazing results, but for the demanding client who really wants to push the marketing envelope and gain the lion's share of customers in their zip code, a common strategy is mixing our Facebook ad service with SEO and Google Ad services. Step number 2, saturating your zip code with SEO. High-level SEO is another part of the online game. We target up to 20 towns around your business with 200 keywords and SEO landing pages. These landing pages wind up in front of people typing in keywords into Google like house painter in Beverly Hills, along with 200 other keywords saturating your service area. These show up as organic listings. We can usually get number 1 rankings within 1 to 2 weeks. Our SEO services not only get amazing results, they also increase your page ranking score, which leads to more cost-effective and cheaper cost per clicks when running Google ad campaigns. This is a crucial component when upping your overall game. Here are a few top ranking keywords in the zip codes of one of our painting clients. Step number 3, Google Ads optimized for the paint business. As you are well aware, residential house painting is a potentially very lucrative business. It's easy to make great money and make your customers happy, right? But this is also why it's a very highly competitive business. If you don't know how to use the right strategies, you lose. Google has 40,000 searches every second. Imagine if your business website ended up on page 1 every time someone in your service area typed in "painter near me." Now imagine if you had a landing page proven to work that is targeting your potential customers who want their painting work started by this weekend. How well would you do if these landing pages came up first? We are Google Ad experts and we understand the online painting business inside and out. This is a lethal combination for your competitors to deal with. You'd be doing yourself a huge service by hiring us to run your Facebook ads, SEO services, and Google Ad campaigns. But we recommend you start with our Facebook ad service first and easing into the rest of it. You want to make sure that you have your crew ready to handle the extra work and, of course, to make all that extra money. Take a look at these results we got for a paint business client from Fort Worth, Texas. 23 new paint customers in only 1 month, and this is only our Google Ads campaign. This is not counting the Facebook ads or the SEO services. Step number 4, making your paint business omnipresent. Have you ever window shopped on Amazon and all of a sudden that product follows you all over the internet? Have you ever had a discussion with someone and the next minute you see an ad for it? If 85% of your traffic doesn't immediately convert, they will be followed around all over the internet with your ads continuously until they do convert. Warm traffic is the easiest to convert, and this is what we do for your business. Your business branding and services will be ingrained deep into the psyche of every person who typed the keywords to find your business. Step number 5, tracking. We track everything that happens from this campaign and every dollar generated to show you that this is working. We track customer opportunities, incoming calls, appointments scheduled, and revenue generated, so there's no guesswork on whether this is working or not. Step number 6, follow up and nurture. Not everyone is going to schedule right away, so for those people, we also have a plan to turn those leads into customers. We call you as soon as the lead comes in and connects with you automatically. The email sequence follow-up and text follow-ups and retargeting ads that show up again if someone enters their info but doesn't book. Our system stores your priceless customer information so you can continue to market to them through automated text and emails when they are not on social media. This helps to build customer loyalty so they stay your customers for life. We give our clients a dashboard with their own unique username and password for daily login. This has proven to be an invaluable tool for business growth, which makes our clients appreciate us even more. You don't need to wait 3 to 6 months to see results. You will start seeing leads, booked appointments, and phone calls in less than 30 days. Your campaigns will begin to grow exponentially month to month, blooming to full maturity by 3 to 6 months. You'll be driving more quality traffic, doing more estimates, closing more jobs, and simply outperforming your competition. The system is area exclusive. We will only work with one painting business per zip code. The sooner you book a call, the better chance you have in getting this system for your business. Once you schedule a call with me, I will also give the tip on how you can start getting free Google traffic as I promised. There is no obligation, there is no contract. I am open to answering any questions you may have about our program. If you like what you hear, we can schedule a second call to further deep dive into your specific needs. Even if we don't work out, I would absolutely enjoy talking to you about your business goals. If you own a painting business and want a proven system to grow and make more money with residential painting jobs and stand out above your competition, scroll down and schedule your 15-minute discovery call with me now. Thanks, and I look forward to helping you grow. Talk soon. Or if you'd rather get straight to the point, you're welcome to call or text me on my personal phone, day or night. I promise to get back to you at my soonest availability.